Have you ever stopped to consider the state of our Earth and our role in its preservation? It's a thought that often gets lost amidst the hustle and bustle of our daily lives. But there are those who have not only pondered this question, but have also taken it upon themselves to answer the call. They are known as the guardians of Gaia. These guardians were not born heroes, but were chosen by the spirits of the land to protect and nurture our Earth. They were an eclectic mix, a wise elder, a brave warrior, a soothing healer, a gifted artisan, and a curious child. Together, they had one mission: to restore the Earth to its former glory. Their journey was not easy. They traveled far and wide, witnessing the devastation that had befallen our world. Yet they also saw hope in the small acts of care and unity they encountered along the way. They spread the message of interconnectedness, reminding everyone that every action, no matter how small, impacts the Earth. The road was fraught with challenges. They faced opposition, resistance, and even forces of darkness. But they drew strength from each other and the Earth itself, learning to listen to the subtle whispers of nature, guiding them on their path. Then came the turning point. Overlooking a vast expanse of desolation, they knew the time had come to make a stand. They called upon all people to join them in a grand gesture of unity and care for the Earth. Under the moonlit sky, people came together, pledging to care for the Earth and all its inhabitants. As the days turned into weeks and the weeks into months, the Earth began to heal. Trees were planted, rivers were cleansed, and wildlife began to thrive once more. The once desolate land transformed into a picture of health and harmony, a testament to the power of unity and the relentless determination of the Guardians. The tale of the Guardians of Gaia serves as a reminder that every one of us has a role to play in preserving our Earth. It's a story of unity, renewal, and the power of collective action. It's a story that continues to unfold, and we are all a part of it. So, the next time you find yourself wondering about the state of our Earth, remember the Guardians and their mission, because we are all guardians of Gaia, and together, we can make a difference.